Hey, big girl. So you hypothesized that the reason all the bread, even the bread you didn't sneeze on, got slimy was because it had been in the basement too long. So I thought we could test that. What we're going to do is we're going to leave some in the basement and some upstairs. Does that sound like a good test? See if it's because it's been in the basement too long? And I know you wanted to do this experiment again, which I thought was a really great idea. Get lots of replicates. The other thing I wanted to test is to see, so we noticed, here, can I show the plates? Look at how pretty these are. So we noticed that on bread with just water, we got these really cool green fuzzy things. But on bread with milk, we got slimy stuff. Gracie, come here, please. And on these cool plates that Mommy brought home, oh my goodness, look at that. Yellow and white and slimy whites. And look, if we don't sneeze on it, a little bit less. Let's take a look. Come on. If we're 3 feet away from a sneeze, oh my goodness, look at all that stuff. But hey, oh my goodness, if we are 6 feet away from the sneeze, if we are social distancing, nothing's growing. That's amazing. So what we did is we're doing the same experiment. We're doing bread with milk, bread with water, and milk alone, just to see what kind of stuff grows. Maybe it'll be different. Okay, first thing, can you close up the controls? I need you to close up these ones and these ones. They're already over there, honey. Here, come on. Baby, come on. Let's close up the controls. We want to sneeze on them. Yep. And then we'll close up these. And this one here. All right, you ready to sneeze? You think you can do that? No, you gotta stand up. All right, social distancing. Choo! All right, let's close them up. And then we're going to close up all of them. And we're going to put half of them downstairs in the basement and half of them upstairs. We're going to see what happens.
Yep.
Excited?
So we're going to win the refrigerator.
No, we'll do some in the basement and some just on the table. Maybe in the window box.